Hi, I am Netu. No, don't worry. It is my nickname. Want to know how I got this nickname? It all started after my school. I found my college through online search engine. I searched my job through online job portal. I met my wife through online matrimonial site. I connect with my friends through social media. I keep myself updated on news through e-paper, online news and newsletters. Now I want to enhance my skills. And you know how I am searching my options? Of course, online.
There are millions of such networks and they are growing every minute. To tap the potential of online platform, every marketer, entrepreneur, professional must be well equipped. I am Anjali Bilgikar, a banking professional since last 10 years. As part of the marketing function, I came across digital marketing and realized that it is the area which is gaining momentum very fast. In order to get equipped with required skills to tap this future's biggest market, I would like to introduce you one of the finest program called GOMP, GUTSGO Online Marketing Program by GUTSGO E-Marketing. GOMP was first designed in September 2009 to impart a comprehensive and compact training for conventional marketeers and internet marketeers. The program structure and contents have been evolved since then to make this as one of the most comprehensive program on e-marketing. GOMP has been modified further as a 20-session elective program at premier MBA colleges such as IIM Ahmedabad. GOMP has 10 sessions of 3 hours each spread across 10 weeks. The sessions of GOMP are scheduled on Saturdays or Sundays. Internet and Mobile Association of India IAMAI certifies GOMP, and every GOMP participant will get a certification from IAMAI. IAMAI is a non-profit industrial body registered under the Societies Act 1986. IAMAI is the apex and only specialized body in India representing the interests of online and mobile value-added services industry. Who can do this program? Marketing professionals to engage customers online, web marketeers to enhance their professional prospects in the e-marketing domain, entrepreneurs to improve their business performance and for their personal improvement. Any individual who wants to enhance the career opportunities in e-marketing domain. Modules covered: business, marketing and e-marketing, paid search marketing, web analytics, social media marketing, search engine optimization, website strategy, email marketing, display marketing, mobile marketing and integrated e-marketing. The program has 4 critical components: classroom sessions delivered through online interactive real-time interface Go Meeting software, individual assignments, e-marketing forum participation and self-preparation and research. The classroom sessions are designed to introduce e-marketing concepts, share approaches to execute a tactic and what are the best practices. Each session is critical for completion of GOMP. These classroom sessions are delivered through online interactive real-time interface Go Meeting software. To attend to each session of GOMP, you are required to have a laptop or PC with a standard headphones and mic with uninterrupted power supply, uninterrupted broadband connectivity, and a location with a conducive environment to learn and to participate for the entire duration of the scheduled session. The Go Meeting software has many features that make the learning experience real-time like classroom. One of the features is question box through which you can interact with tutor directly. Another is raise hand feature, which helps in raising the query or question. You can also talk directly on air, which will be audible to entire class if tutor allows. Individual assignments. These are 7 individual assignments. While the classroom sessions help you understand the concepts, the approaches and the best practices, the individual assignments help you apply all these in a hands-on manner. The assignments will be evaluated for participants' grade. Each assignment submission will be evaluated and evaluation comments will be shared with all participants. The top graded assignments are shared with all the participants. E-marketing forum participation. As part of the GOMP, you will get access to an e-marketing online forum. Here, you not only discuss the program topics, you can seek clarifications and answers to any of the topics which are beyond the scope of GOMP. Since this is a forum all GutsGo alumni participate into, you will get an added advantage of networking with trained e-marketers. Self-preparation and research. Every participant is expected to spend a minimum 3 hours every day for the entire duration of the program. In these 3 hours, you are either studying the program material or working on the assignments or researching on an online marketing tactic or experimenting with one of the online techniques, tools or interacting in e-marketing forum. Professor Ratan KK has trained more than 1000 marketing professionals in e-marketing. He is a visiting professor of e-marketing at IIM Ahmedabad. Professor Ratan KK connects with students outside class and extends his teaching beyond sessions. He is very prompt on replies on any query raised to him at any given point of time. He gives opportunity to every student to interact with him and ask as many questions as one has. The alumni group are created to keep the constant touch with each other and every participant in batch. Professor Ratan KK also gives opportunity to interact with him and get answers of queries on the digital marketing through his Thursday weekly calls. He encourages everyone to be part of these weekly calls, which also gives each one an opportunity to network. Interested? Fill in the online inquiry form for GOMP on the given link. For more details, you can contact me on my LinkedIn profile.